terus Mana lesen?
Ya, Malaysia.
We're at PTT station, our favorite stop for drivers coming to Thailand from Malaysia because they have great fuel and great food. So let me get my wallet and we'll do a walk around of what they have. Hey, beautiful.
And just like that, we were off on our way to Hat Yai. You wouldn't believe how relieved we were just to be back at the border, close to home, close to Malaysia. And we weren't complaining because the view from where I was is fantastic. Just look at that sky, blue skies. And I was promised a pretty good dinner, so I couldn't wait to get there. And the guy said the seafood there is to die for. So here's the video of what we saw in Hat Yai. Enjoy.
We have arrived in a food court in Hat Yai. Definitely where the locals eat. I don't see any foreigners here. And the food looks awesome. Seems to be like a grill kind of device or a steamboat. Oh, fresh seafood. So I guess you pick your seafood, choose your style. Over there you see it was your style, pick your fresh produce and they will cook for you. Got prawns, clams. So this place apparently is a buffet style eat all you want kind of place. And they've got smoothies. Oh, the ice cream. There's all this funny, even Angry Bird in some like stuff. Oh, this is gonna be amazing, man. Woohoo! All the salads there. Our table is V30, W34. Oh,
Fish I cook already.
okay. So what I take? Can you just take? I eat.
Yeah, okay, the others are good.
What?
We now.
All take, all take, right? So we'll do the best thing to order this. You also do on the thing, right? What is this? Oh. Okay. So, crispy catfish salad. Okay. This is anchovy salad. Looks like onion from basil. Sweet pan. Looks like pork, fried rice, lamb. Oh, all the broth.
Here already.
Oh yeah.
Here already.
Where's the thing to put on top of it? I must buy the
You had the barbecue and the boy one.
what is beef here? Beef is here. All this pork. Huh? I don't know the beef one. All this pork are here. Pork. This pork there. Pork. Beef. Chicken here. Okay.